We have several methods to select and navigate between each cells and columns or rows inside of tables. If I press Tab from my keyboard, I could go to the next cell while it is the content selected. If I hold down the Shift key and then press Tab, it will go previous cell, so Tab key and Shift Tab. Of course, you could use arrow key down and up by default because it was starting the text and the first column it was autocorrect. As you realize, the text is getting capitalized anyway, so using the left and right. But if I press left and right, it should be first navigate each text, and then when reaching end of the content, we'll navigate to the next cell. If you remember, to jump between each word instead of each letter, we use Control or Command. Also working here, if I hold down the Control or Command key, and then I will go to the next cell, Control or Command right arrow, first end of the text, and then jumping the next cell. If I add multiple text here, you will understand how it is working. Allow me to copy for multiple. Alright. So if I click here, Control or Command right, Control or Command right, and then jumping to the next one. Instead of that, if you want to directly jump to the next cell, you could hold on the Control or Command key, then use the down arrow for the next cell, or Control or Command up arrow for the previous cell. So Control or Command down, Control or Command up. And of course, if I add Shift key for any navigation between text, we could add to selected. So Shift Control or Shift Command and then down arrow will select my cell, and Shift Control down and reach to the end. And now I reach to the end of my row. If I press once more, going end of outside of table, and now Shift Control and down, it will select next rows. You see? If I hold on the Shift Control and using up arrow, it will actually deselect or getting less selection based on the column. So it is not exact same. But in this case, I could hold on the Shift key and just simply use the arrow keys to expand my selection rows and columns. So Shift, down, right, up, and left, which I think it is much easier. One thing might be confused is how we could insert tab character inside of cells. When we're pressing tab key, as you realize, it is jumping to the next cell. But if you want to add tab here as a character, simply hold on the Control key and then press tab from your keyboard. Now I could insert the tab character. So Control or Command tab will insert the tab character inside of cells.